with another Loot Crate unboxing video. That way. Sounds like it has some small rattling parts inside. So let's see what's inside. 1 second. Get that out the way. My favorite mug. Gotta dream big. This box is bigger than the last one. Let me see. Let's see what's really going on inside this one. I think I saw a hat. I really don't know what the theme is for February. I think it's probably some kind of Valentine's Day lovey-dovey stuff. I forgot to look at it. And okay, wow. The first thing I see is Money World. Create your own vinyl art toy. Oh, so it's kind of like a create your own me type of thing. See, they have characters on the side. I've never seen it, but it looks like something that'd be fun to do that I'll probably have a field day with. I'll probably do something that looks like that. I thought it was a Big Hero 8 or whatever that movie was. I thought it was that for a hex bug. People may not know this, but I always see the hex bug nano commercials, and I always think to myself, those things are cool. I kind of want one to see how they work. Now I have one. Hex bug. This is a kind of weird box. This is a poster. Not quite sure what this is. And this is a fruit roll-up, maybe? No, just joking. This is a Pac-Man poster. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Seen better, but not bad. Can't complain. Toss that in the trash. There's a book of some sort, which is New York Times bestsellers, Enchanting Willy Wonka Meets the Matrix, Ready Player One, Ernest Cline, a novel. Check that. Got me a book out the blue. Ready Player One, New York Times bestseller even. Anyone who knows me knows that one of my favorite things to do outside of actually playing the game is reading a good book. So this is, yeah, already loving this box. The next thing we have is a little black pouch of some sort with rock, paper, scissors. I don't know if you can see those. Rock, paper, scissors, dice. Not sure how that works, but it'll be good for people who like to cheat on rock, paper, scissors. You'd be like, you know what? Let's decide this and just roll the dice. And I do a lot of rock, paper, scissors for decisions. Well, no, wait. This has instructions with it. Crate packaging. Rock, paper, scissors. Land on the star or an item. Okay, it has instructions with it. I guess it's part of some game. Super Fight the Loot Crate deck. This is a 100 card version of the viral card game Super Fight, designed exclusively for Loot Crate by Skybound. These cards are only available in this exclusive deck. Create hilarious fighters with these cards, then argue over who would win in a fight between them. Huh. and see what these cards look like. Is this maybe what the rock, paper, scissors things go to? Yeah, water buffalo, Prince Charming, raccoon, Yeti, Stegosaurus, France. Okay, it's gonna be a weird little card game to play. See, I would go through all of them. It's a lot. Apparently, I have to draw my own picture on them and just make a little weird card game out of them. And then they have abilities that you give to random people. Okay, never heard of Super Fight, but you talk to a guy who plays Dungeons and Dragons, so I'm all for that. All right, looks like we have two more things. Firefly Online. Get ready to experience Firefly Online in your very own premium ship, just like on Loot Crate Firefly's fan video. Visit keepflying.com/Cortex and download the Cortex. Okay, it's a free download for Firefly Online. Hopefully this is the same Firefly that's that the movie Serenity is based off of. Because if that's the same Firefly, that's awesome, because I love Serenity and there's a Firefly MMO game. I want all parts of that. Oh, okay. I see the box itself is the board game for those dice I was showing you. The box itself is the board game. That's kind of cool. Of course, I got a pen. And if you can see inside the box itself, it says pull the crate. And the box itself is the board game for the dice. So the last thing we have here is Co-op Gaming History of Game Controllers. Nice. There's like pictures of people with iPhones. The old Famicom controls. Hope the Dreamcast controllers in here. PlayStation controls. They have Oculus in here already. Dreamcast control is in there. And the Wii U gamepad is in there. Alright, this is overall a pretty good crate. Pretty good crate. I'm really going to enjoy this one, so it's been an unboxing for February's Loot Crate. I'm going to get this hex bug and go straight to work with this first. So until next time, be you, be true, be human. AWBrawler, out.